Before we begin, a quick favor. If you've been enjoying the podcast, would you consider leaving a review? It really helps others find this space and join us on their own healing journey. If you haven't already, you can get your free IFS meditations and the Self-Led Pause Starter Kit at exploreifs.com. And I do have a couple individual and group coaching spots. And if that would serve you right now, you can book a consult at the website too. Welcome back to IFS Meditations and Insights. I'm Tim Fortescue, your guide on this journey toward wholeness through the lens of internal family systems. Together, we're creating a sacred space to explore, accept, and love all parts of ourselves. As we do this work, we open ourselves to experiencing divine love and living more authentically. Let's begin. The intention of this meditation is to check in with parts that come up around bedtime and getting curious about the idea of finishing the day checking in with our parts rather than reaching for our phone, for example. So as we begin, go ahead and find your way into a comfortable position. This can be in bed, on the couch, wherever you're winding down tonight. You don't have to sit up straight. You don't have to look a certain way. Just let your body land wherever it already is. And if there's a phone nearby, go ahead and set it face down or somewhere you can't see the screen. Not because the phone is necessarily bad, but because right now we're choosing something different. We're choosing to end this day with presence instead of distraction. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Another one. In through the nose and out through the mouth. A little longer this time. One more. And as you exhale, let your body get a little heavier. Let the surface beneath you hold more of your weight. You don't have to hold yourself up anymore. The day is ending. You can let go of the posture of productivity. Now just gently let your attention turn inward. You don't have to go anywhere specific. Just notice what it's like to be you right now at the end of this particular day. This day held things. Maybe it held a lot. Maybe it held quiet difficulty. Maybe it held things that looked fine on the outside, but cost something on the inside. Whatever this day was, it's almost over, and you made it through. Take a moment to acknowledge that. You made it through another day. Now I want to invite you to ask a simple question inside. From that place of inviting a little more self-energy and the idea that you're here. See if you can say this silently to yourself. Who's here right now? What are you carrying from today? And then just wait. There's no rush. You're not looking for a big answer. You're just opening a door and seeing who walks through. Maybe something shows up as a sensation, a tightness in the chest, a heaviness in the shoulders, a clenching in the jaw. Maybe you didn't realize it was there. Maybe something shows up as a feeling, sadness, frustration, loneliness, a vague sense of not enough. Maybe it shows up as an image, a younger version of you, a scene from the day, a color or a texture. Whatever arrives, let it be here. You don't need to fix it, analyze it, or make it go away. Just notice it. Just say gently, I see you. And if you notice a part of you that wants to pull away right now, a part that says this is boring, or just grab the phone, or this isn't working, that's okay too. That part is welcome here. You can acknowledge it. I see you too. I know you're trying to help. You don't have to leave, but I'm going to stay here for just a little longer. You're not fighting that part. You're not overriding it. You're just letting it know that right now, in this moment, you're choosing to be here. And it can rest too if it's willing. If that part's able to soften, thank it. And then come back to whatever showed up when you asked, who's here? Whatever part surfaced, whatever sensation or feeling is present. See if you can just be with it with just a little curiosity. The way you'd sit with a child who crawled into your lap at the end of a long day, not trying to solve their problem, not telling them it's fine, Just being there, letting them know they're not alone with it. You might offer some words inside, whatever feels true. I see you. Thank you for carrying that today. If you're willing, you can set that down for tonight. And if you need to keep holding it, that's okay too. I'm here. You're not alone. Let those words land wherever they need to land inside you. And notice if anything shifts, maybe a softening, maybe a deeper breath, maybe tears, maybe nothing yet, and that's fine too. The offering is enough. The turning toward is enough. Now, if your parts are willing, see if they'd like to set down what they've been carrying, like setting a heavy bag by the door. It'll be there tomorrow if it needs to be. But tonight, if they're ready, no one has to hold it. And if some parts aren't ready to set it down, that's okay. They can hold it more lightly, or they can just know that you see them holding it, and you're not asking them to pretend it isn't there. With each exhale, let a little more of the day's weight release at whatever pace feels right. Breathe out. And the tasks you didn't finish can wait. Breathe out. And the conversations that didn't go perfectly can rest. Breathe out. And the expectations from yourself or others can soften. You did enough today. You were enough today. Not because of what you accomplished, but because you are here, present, breathing, willing to turn toward yourself with compassion. As you settle toward sleep or toward whatever comes next tonight, carry this with you. Your parts don't need you to be perfect. They don't need you to fix everything before bed. They just need to know that someone is home, that someone noticed, that someone cares. And you are that someone. That self-energy available to you right now. Not a screen, not a distraction. Just you, present, compassionate, home. So rest now. Let your parts rest too, if they're willing. You made it through another day together. Good night. That wraps up another episode of IFS Meditations and Insights. If today's session was meaningful to you, please follow, subscribe, and share with someone who might need it. A positive review helps more people find this healing work. And don't forget, you can get your free IFS meditations and the Self-Led Pause Starter Kit at exploreifs.com. And until our next session, be gentle with yourself. I'll try to do the same, because we're beloved human beings.